I always say about CollegeTowne, it's not buildings and it's not programs. It's the partnerships that bring us together to work on all of these things together and bring it to life.
23.5% of Schuylkill County residents over the age of 25 have started but not earned a bachelor's degree. And 16% started college and didn't earn a degree at all. So I ask you, if you have taken a break from college, either for 2 or 20 years, please think of us as you think about your educational journey. It's a perfect time to make a new chapter here at Alvernia, and Alvernia is a great place to make your comeback.
We did appreciate that the funding that we'd provide would deliver more than just a return on investment. It would return opportunity. It would return an opportunity for the American dream. It will return great outcomes for our community and for all the students that will so greatly benefit by all the work that's been done.
There was no other option for me. Alvernia was the only option for me because of the articulation agreement and having a school right here in Schuylkill County. Because being older, I'm old school and I want to sit in the classroom. I don't really like doing the online thing. But I have to say, since I've been a student here at Alvernia, I'm about halfway to my bachelor's. And I have to tell you, I have been thoroughly impressed with the instructors here at Alvernia. They've been absolutely phenomenal.
This isn't just about making things a little bit better. This will literally change people's lives, what we're doing here today for decades to come. In nursing and so many other professions, they will have opportunities here, new opportunities here, so close to home that will change their lives, it will change their future, and it will give their families opportunities that will improve their future.
I am very appreciative of the solid leadership and the effort that Senator Argel did in securing funding to transform this downtown site that once helped feed a community. Now this newest Alvernia CollegeTowne will nourish the minds, create jobs, and additional investments in our communities. Cooperation and teamwork between the people assembled here proves that we in Schuylkill County can make things happen. So I am positive that our report card will be an A+.